peekaboo and happy 2022. And today, voila, we are going for this look. One eye is done and one eye is sad looking. So today we are going to start off the new year with a bit of a rebellious look. We're going to do a red reverse cat eye. Do you like? Yay or nay? But anyway, it's very simple to do. You can do it black, brown, blue, purple, the world's your oyster. But I am going to do red. I feel like being different. So without further ado, welcome to my channel. If you've not been here before, my name is Ambrit. I do all like makeup, skincare, beauty, blah, 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 blah. But I know you just want to get into the video. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so this look is so simple and so fantastic for hooded eyes, just like me. So first shade I just showed you, I'm using the Huda Mercury Retrograde palette. So I simply take my brush and you know the score, you do the windshield wiper, okay. So the second shade here I'm using is a lighter matte shade here. Gold is nice with red, right? I'm simply tapping it on with my finger. For me, the less hassle with eyeshadow the better, because it's not my forte. Because you know how difficult it can be with hooded eyes, right? So that's the gold on. We can darken that up a bit too much if we need to in a bit. Right. Using the red liner from Fenty Beauty. Now, first of all, I'm just going on my lower line here. Yes, that looks crazy right now, I know. It doesn't really fall into place until, I feel, until you put your mascara on, right? This one is called Cherry Punk. I love these cream liners because they actually stay put all day until you take it off. Okay, so now for the kind of little detail. See how I've came just out here, and then what I did was I just came, if you just come straight out. If you see my other video about doing a wing for hooded eye, it's different. I come up at an angle, but that's not what we're focusing on today. We're doing the reverse cat eye, which is to be easier, right? So basically, I'm just, let me balance this. Ooh, good. Okay. And then, so I just came out a little bit. Do with what you feel comfortable, right? You don't even need to come out like that if you don't want to. It's entirely up to you. Makeup is fun, right? So now this is where we all struggle. We have hooded eyes, but basically, especially this side, because I have like a double fold thing coming down, but I don't worry about it too much. Once you get the mascara on, it's, you know, you may have to try and balance it up. But as I say, I kind of do these things once I did my mascara. Once I do my mascara, sorry. Also, what I was going to say was, if you feel, you know, if, because when we're getting older, right, our lashes are not as thick. So what you can do is tight line. I'm going to, you know, inside here, because as I say, the emphasis is not to put liner up the top, etc. It's to put all drama down here. Okay, so with that being said, it just needs to thicken up a little bit. Match the other one. Just make sure if you use these, you click it back down so it doesn't dry out. Okay. So now I'm going to curl, because my eyelashes are so straight. I never put mascara on without curling my eyelashes. These are Shiseido ones. Anyway. I'm going to put on Loreal Lash Paradise mascara. Yes, and I like drama, so I like my lashes to be volumized. The final thing that I would do is, as I say, if your lashes, you know, are getting thinner up here and you just feel a little bit, how can we say, baldy, what we can do is tight line, because we don't want to be putting liner on the top lid, because all the emphasis is down the bottom. It's the whole idea, and that's why you don't put false lashes on and all that, because it takes away from the look, you know. Now it's entirely up to you. I like to go for it with my mascara. You don't need to be like me, right? So this is just giving you an idea. But I'm going to come back with the final look, you know, without the headband and all that jazz, and a bit of lippy on. Okay, so you can see how simple that was. Yeah, I just need to even up this one here. It's easy, guys. It's just like, once you get your mascara on, for me personally anyway, that's when I feel more balanced and I can like just touch up. But none of us are perfect, so you know, don't worry about it if it's not perfect. So that's it, guys. Voila. I will come back with my lippy on, etc., and without the headband, obviously. But as you can see, very simple to do. And obviously, yeah, I mean, red is not an everyday colour, but I love it, especially with green eyes. It's opposite colour of the spectrum, right? Green and red. So I'm going to come back, and voila, we are back with the final look. What do you think, guys? Would you go for the red Rihanna look? I think it's really cool with green eyes, actually. I absolutely love it. Yes, it's not an everyday thing, but come on, we've got to have fun. It's the first day of a brand new year. So if you liked the video, give us a like, and even better, give us a subscribe. And until next time, I'll say adios and check you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.